Hey everyone, it's Nathan Susin from Island Sosco, and over the next little bit we're going to be taking you guys through some quick tips to try and take that home barbecue to the next level. So for today's quick tip, we're going to talk briefly about beef and what cuts right for you. So we're going to focus on the heavy hitters: beef tenderloin, ribeye, and striploin. Which cut and why. So with beef tenderloin, the most tender cut possible, but due to the low fat content in beef tenderloin, there is a restriction of the flavor profile. So when using beef tenderloin, you're going to want to pair it with a nice chimichurri or coffee rub, things of that nature. Now striploin's a little bit of a tougher one because there is some grizzle on the top fat cap of the striploin. And this, where it's a center cut of striploin, which is what you want as the center cut, because end cuts, you're going to find there is a line of sinew going directly through the meat. So try and stay away from the end cuts, but striploin, fatty, lots of flavor. And then you have ribeye. Ribeye has very little sinew, but quite a bit of fat. So if you're trying to avoid gristle, but you want a heavy flavor, I feel like ribeye would be the steak for you. That's your quick tip for today. Get those steaks on the grill. So that was your quick tip for today. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Island Sosco, and check out our site at islandsosco.com. My name's Nathan Susin, and we're out.